Ano ba yung trabaho as someone who believes in people power? Dapat hindi tayo babalik. Never again, never forget, diba? Dapat hindi tayo babalik sa panahon ng Marcos. I think BBM is making the best case for why we shouldn't have a Marcos as president again, diba? So parang, in a way, parang okay. So,
That's good. Ako naman, lagi ko nga sinasabi sa ibang mga kaibigan ko in the administration. I was telling them, even kasi yun nga, there was a time, diba? Although ngayon, sabi nila, wala na raw si VP Sara and all of the other ones who are running against, basta against the government. No? I was telling them na kung talagang it was good and everything was very light for the Filipino people in the first 1 or 2 years, hindi niya na iniisip yan. Kahit sino ng bendisyonan niya will win eh.
Yeah,
If di ba? Wala na siyang iniisip dapat. And another thing, baka nga, hindi ko naman sinasabi to, but dahil it has been done before naman by the Marcoses that there could have been an extension.
well, yeah, that's a question, diba? So,
Diba? Pero if it was truly good for the Filipinos, hindi mo na dapat isipin yung kalaban. Wala na yan dapat kung talagang umayos naman. But then again, kanya-kanya na lang din tayong perspective of what's happening.
totoo.